Okay, this is a recording that I'm using to test both taking transcriptions and possibly putting captions in the new beta version of Premiere Pro when I'm making or utilizing different forms and types of video. I don't know how successful this is going to be. When they gave me the go-ahead to participate in the test of this feature, I wasn't given any instructions, so anything that I've learned is either through trial and error or utilizing the experience of other people who are passing on what they know. What do I know? Well, not much really, but supposedly they can handle English, and in the future, if not right now, they're going to be able to handle German. I'm looking forward to trying German. Anyway, that should be enough now for a test. I'll see you on the flip side.